Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to change the DNS provider in the Brave Nightly browser on mobile. If you care about privacy, security, or faster browsing, adjusting your DNS settings. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy to open the privacy-related options. Then, scroll down until you see the option called Use Secure DNS. Tap on it to open the DNS configuration options. After that, select Choose another provider to see more choices. Next, tap on Custom to manually set your preferred DNS provider. Here, you can choose the DNS service you trust or prefer for better privacy or performance. Once selected, the new DNS provider will be applied automatically. Your Brave Nightly browser is now using the DNS provider you selected. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.